The strongest and noblest dog in the world, Sivas Kangal dogs. Sivas Kangal dogs are breeds that are grown in Turkey. Kangal is a shepherd and guard dog breed originating from Turkey. Sivas Kangal dogs are sensitive and loyal to people and children. Sivas Kangal dogs are the #1 breed in protecting their family and herd from wild animals. Temperament: sensitive, agile, independent, protective, controlled, calm. Male, 70-80 cm. Weight, 48-60 kilograms. Colors: gray, wolf sable, fawn, light doré gray. Speed, 56 kilometers per hour. Characteristics of Sivas Kangal dogs. If you liked the video and want the continuation, like and subscribe. I wish you a good day.